These are the tickets for the Honog sa Sugod concert. This costs 350. We have here 350 and this 200 and 250 tickets. So we will have to buy 5 tickets, one each for the 5 of us, so 350. So the kids will experience real concert. This is a Christian concert, by the way, first time in Sugod, I guess in years. And the kids will have to experience real concert. So since naa naman ni diri sa amo diri sa Sugod, so we'll have to grab this chance, worship the Lord and fellowship with the brethren all over Southern Leyte. And this is gonna be happening on August 27, 2023 at 4 p.m. at SLSU Main Campus, Sugod, Southern Leyte. We are heading now to the venue, the 5 of us, and the kids are excited because they've got to see now in person the singers of the songs we used to sing at the church in our worship. And we are now at Southern Leyte State University. I've been here tagal na akong hindi nakapunta rito, but for today natlan po no nga diri ang venue. So we'll be going to the SLSU gym. It's 4 na in the afternoon. Nakikita ko na yung mga tao mga tao na manonood at makisali sa worship. So titingnan natin kung anong ganap doon sa venue. Thanks God, wala ng ulan. Kanina mga 2 p.m. Ang lakas-lakas talaga ng ulan. Kaya kami na late, parang na late. Ay, hindi naman masyadong late, pero parang late na kasi 4 ang start at 4 pa kami dito pa sa labas. Hindi pa kami nakapasok. Kasi nga ang lakas-lakas talaga ng ulan. So here, marami na pala talaga. Baka nasa loob na. Yung iba marami na sasakyan dito nakapark. So this is SLSU Sugod Southern Leyte Main Campus. Ayan na. Diyan tayo pupunta. Malagi ka. Sa dyan nakasod. Ang sa dyan nakasod, ang gitarista ko. Nara gitarista sa dahonog.
Tunggak-tunggak.
Una mo ha? Ay! Una. Working. Ade reme. Nagsugod sa 9 ato no. Ha? Unsa imo? Ikuha ba siya kaho? Ah. May talanay.